Here's what you need to know about what is a firewall. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A firewall is a security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined rules. It acts as a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external networks like the Internet. Firewalls can be hardware devices, software applications, or a combination of both. Key concept: packet filtering rules. Firewalls inspect each packet and compare it against a rule set. Rules are based on source IP, destination IP, port number, and protocol. Packets that match an allow rule pass through. All others are dropped. Key concept: stateful versus stateless. Stateless firewalls check each packet individually with no memory of previous traffic. Stateful firewalls track active connections and only allow packets that belong to an established session. Far more secure. Key concept: network versus host firewall. A network firewall protects an entire network and sits at the perimeter, typically between the router and internal LAN. A host-based firewall runs on individual devices and controls traffic to and from that device only. Key concept: ACLs and port control. Firewalls use access control lists, ACLs, to permit or deny traffic. Administrators block dangerous ports like Telnet port 23 and allow only necessary services like HTTPS port 443 to reduce the attack surface. Let's look at the full breakdown. Packet filter, layer 3. 4. Network transport. Track sessions, no speed, very fast. Use basic perimeter control. Stateful, layer 3. 4 with state table. Track sessions, yes, speed, fast. Use most common enterprise FW. Next-gen NGFW, layer 3, 7, application. Track sessions, yes plus deep inspect. Speed, moderate. Use advanced threat detection. Here's a real-world example. Your home router has a built-in stateful firewall. When you browse a website, your router records the outgoing connection in its state table. When the web server responds, the firewall sees it matches an established session and allows it in. If an unsolicited packet arrives from the Internet with no matching session, the firewall drops it automatically. Quick recap before you go. 1. Firewalls filter traffic using rules based on IP address, port, and protocol. 2. Stateless firewalls inspect packets individually. Stateful firewalls track full sessions. 3. Network firewalls protect the perimeter. Host firewalls protect individual devices. 4. ACLs define what traffic is permitted or denied through the firewall. 5. Next-generation firewalls NGFW add deep packet inspection up to layer 7. That's what is a firewall covered. Exam tip: know the difference. Stateless =. No memory of connections. Stateful =. Tracks session state. Stateful is more secure. NGFWs add application layer inspection. Expect questions comparing all three types. Next up, what is a load balancer? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.